In this video, we'll show you how to replace the scraper on your Greenworks 20-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all 20-inch battery-operated and corded models. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. The battery should always be removed before performing any maintenance. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver. Let's get started. Tilt the unit forward so it rests on the front of the impeller housing. Remove the grounding plates on each side of the unit. Remove the 3 screws holding the scraper in place. Gently remove the scraper, being careful not to pull the grounding wire. Unhook the grounding wire from the scraper. Please note, your unit may not have grounding wire. If so, disregard this step. Place the new scraper into position and reinsert the grounding wire. Install the new scraper and fasten it securely with the screws. Reinstall the grounding plates. Return the unit to the upright position. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.